Home Remedies presents.
Take 1 tablespoon of garlic and olive oil mix. See what happens in 7 days. Do you know that a simple kitchen remedy can help support your heart, lower cholesterol, and even keep your arteries clean? Yes, it's as simple as 1 tablespoon of garlic and olive oil mix. Let's talk about how this golden combo works, how to make it perfectly at home, and how much to take daily for the best results. Why garlic and olive oil are powerful together. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural heart protector. It helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, improve blood circulation, prevent artery clogging, atherosclerosis, maintain healthy blood pressure. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is full of healthy fats and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the arteries, increase good cholesterol, HDL, protect your heart and blood vessels from oxidative damage. When combined, garlic and olive oil become a power duo that supports your cardiovascular health naturally. No harsh chemicals, no side effects. How to make the remedy? You'll need 5 to 6 fresh garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Steps: peel and crush or finely chop the garlic cloves. Add them to a clean glass jar, pour in the olive oil and mix well. Let it sit overnight, 8 to 12 hours, to allow the garlic compounds to infuse into the oil. In the morning, it's ready to use. You can store this mixture in a cool, dark place for up to 5 days. How to take it, dosage and timing. For general heart health, take 1 tablespoon every morning on an empty stomach. For high cholesterol or blood pressure, take 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon at night before bed. Tip: if the raw garlic taste is too strong, you can mix the tablespoon into a small glass of lukewarm water or drizzle it over your salad before eating. Important instructions: avoid if you have low blood pressure, bleeding disorders, or are on blood-thinning medication. Always consult your doctor. This is a natural support remedy, not a replacement for prescribed heart medicine. Consistency is key. Use it for at least 3 to 4 weeks to see visible results. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful. Just 1 tablespoon of this garlic and olive oil mix can help protect your heart, boost circulation, and give you natural energy every day. Try it for a week, and your heart will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who cares about their heart health.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.